Homeowners in Richland Hills know how intense Texas weather can be. Long, hot summers and sudden cold snaps in winter can put serious strain on your heating and cooling system. If your home feels drafty, your energy bills keep rising, or certain rooms never seem comfortable, your windows and doors may be the hidden problem. That's where Richland Hills window replacement and door services make a real difference. Energy efficiency starts with eliminating air leaks. Older windows often develop gaps around frames, worn seals, or single-pane glass that does little to block heat transfer. The same is true for outdated doors that no longer close tightly. When conditioned air escapes, your HVAC system has to work harder and run longer. By investing in professional window replacement and upgraded doors, homeowners can significantly reduce that wasted energy. Modern windows are designed with advanced features that dramatically improve insulation. Double pane and triple pane glass systems create insulating airspaces between panes. Many also include low emissivity coatings that reflect heat while still allowing natural light inside. In the summer, this helps keep indoor spaces cooler by blocking solar heat. In the winter, it keeps warmth from escaping. Richland Hills window replacement and doors specialists install products specifically chosen to perform well in the North Texas climate. Proper installation is just as important as the window itself. Even the most energy-efficient window won't perform well if it's poorly fitted. Professional installers ensure tight seals, correct alignment, and proper insulation around frames. This attention to detail prevents drafts, moisture intrusion, and long-term structural damage. For homeowners, it means consistent indoor temperatures and greater comfort year-round. Energy-efficient doors also play a critical role. Entry doors, patio doors, and sliding glass doors are common sources of energy loss. Modern replacement doors are built with insulated cores, weather stripping, and multi-point locking systems that create a tighter seal. Whether you choose fiberglass, steel, or insulated glass patio doors, these upgrades reduce heat transfer and improve overall home performance. Another benefit of upgrading through Richland Hills window replacement and door services is improved indoor comfort. Energy efficiency isn't just about saving money, it's about creating a more livable space. New windows help eliminate hot spots near sun-facing walls and cold drafts near older frames. Rooms become easier to cool in summer and easier to heat in winter. You'll notice fewer temperature fluctuations and a quieter indoor environment thanks to improved sound insulation. Lower energy bills are often the most immediate reward. When your HVAC system doesn't have to overcompensate for air leaks and poor insulation, it uses less energy. Over time, these savings can offset a significant portion of the initial investment. Many homeowners are surprised by how quickly they see a difference in their monthly utility costs after replacing outdated windows and doors. There's also the added benefit of protecting your home's long-term value. Energy-efficient upgrades are highly attractive to potential buyers. Modern windows and doors signal that a home has been well maintained and thoughtfully improved. In a competitive real estate market, energy performance can be a strong selling point. In addition to efficiency, today's window and door designs offer style flexibility. Homeowners can choose from a wide range of frame materials, colors, and configurations that complement their home's architecture. From sleek modern windows to classic double-hung styles, upgrades enhance curb appeal while improving performance. Patio door replacements can brighten interiors with natural light while still maintaining excellent insulation. For families in Richland Hills, energy efficiency is about more than comfort and cost savings. It's about creating a healthier, more sustainable home. Reduced energy consumption lowers your carbon footprint and contributes to a more environmentally responsible lifestyle. If you've been dealing with high energy bills, inconsistent indoor temperatures, or aging windows and doors, now may be the right time to consider an upgrade. With professional Richland Hills window replacement and doors services, homeowners gain better insulation, greater comfort, and lasting value. The result is a home that feels better in every season while working smarter behind the scenes to conserve energy.